Hello, Standard 8. Welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. We have already completed the two topic on the grammar from the chapter 1.4 Revati's musical plant. Yes, today we are going for the remaining workshop. Yes, in the first part we have completed affirmative and negative. In the second part we have completed the types of sentences because it is linked to each other. So, and then the different kinds of following sentences to identify, and the homework which was given in the part 1, that answer I have given in the part 2nd. And also we went to the topic of drafting an email. So today's topic is about the word chain. What is word chain? The prefix to be added to make the sentences and to prepare the notice. Yes, I think so. Out of this, the word chain is a new topic for you. Okay, so let us start. What is word chain? Now let me start it up. Okay, now see here. I'll just pause it up. So what is word chain? Word chain consists of words of a certain category that begin with the letter that the previous word has ended with. A very simple thing I'll say. This is a game which you play known as Antakshari. Right? The one person sings the song, when the person ends the song, from that ending word you start a new song. Same way here, instead of the songs, it is a word. So the example they have given, as we go on doing the example, you will come to know exactly what it is. Yes, the completing, they have given that you have to complete the word chain. Of course, while the word chain is there, they may say that you add nouns or adjectives. Yes, they can ask you any such type of question that complete the word chain adding 4 adjectives or 4 adverbs, 4 fruits name, 4 nouns. Yes, or the 4 any words related from the passage. That way they can ask. Yeah, so you have to read the question very properly when the question regarding word chain comes. Don't get confused. See which. Now here they have asked 4 nouns. Yeah, so only the word should be nouns only. The first is, the question is music. From the, it ends with the C courtyard, D days, yes secret. Yes, so only one example is given. They have asked only one question. So you can try to do more, come up with the more words. Yes. Now next one, add a appropriate prefix to the following words opposite in the meaning. This prefix and suffix, this topic we have completed. So just let me start with prefix means what? The starting. Yes, not after but before. So the word is as it is. See, now starts. First word. It's continue. These are the words. Now see, continue, discontinue. Possible, impossible. Certain, uncertain. Definite, indefinite. Believe, disbelieve. Important, unimportant. Place, misplace. Known, unknown. Regular, irregular. So you can see that everywhere they have used the prefix, the starting one. Dis, im, an, in, yes, ir, all that. That is known to be as a prefix to make the words opposite. Now the third question in C. Use the following expression to make sentence of your own. That is, make sentences. So now there are 6 phrases. Make up one's mind. To make up one's mind. To make, the decide. You can say in short, to decide. Right? So one should think carefully before one makes up one's mind about anything important. Flash across one's mind, you can say an idea. It comes. When Soham saw the tears in Dia's eye, it flashed across her mind that there was some problem. Yeah, when Sonam saw the tears in Dia's eyes. Yes, that came to her mind. Flash once across mind means it came to her mind. Struck as odd, that means something different. My friend's continuous laughter on seeing her marks struck me as odd. Yes. The next one, to summarize. To, you can say that, to read it again. When the teacher saw Naomi crying, she summarized that she had failed in the test. Knew no bonds. Right? My joy knew no bonds when I saw the little puppy on my bed. Knew no bonds means very much you are happy. That's the mean. Yes. Now we are going for the last topic of this video, or the chapter, or the grammatical session, we can say. Oh, one more is there. Okay, not to deter. The loss of her leg did not deter. Not to deter means not to stop. Did not stop or did not deter Sudha Chandra from dancing. Sudha Chandra is an actress at present, and she had lost her leg, and the doctor has told her that she will not be able to dance. She was a very well known dancer at that time. So when the doctor told that she could not dance, she did not give up. Yes, and the Jaipur fort, if you just see in a Wikipedia, you will come to know more about that. And even if you type this Sudha Chandra, you will get a lot of information regarding Sudha Chandra, right? And then still, what, she did not stop dancing. She put the Jaipur fort and she danced, right? And now she is a very well-known actress also. Understood up to here? Okay. Now we are going for the question number 4, that is, imagine there is a best plan competition in your locality or a colony where you live. Frame a notice about the same in the form of an attractive poster. Cover the following points. They have given the points. The same way, last time we SEHH, in that topic we have completed this, preparing a notice. So I'll just give you an example notice here. But here you can do in the form of an attractive poster also. And this is a notice writing, one of the writing skill, and few points they have given, and the marks are allotted according to these points only. You have to name the organization, contest, date, venue, and then participate, prizes, contact details for the further inquiry. See now, this is, I'll just pause it up so that you will be able to see. See, the Green Space Association announced, that's the name of the organization, best plan competition, which contest it is, for all the residents of Amar Park Society, on which day, that is date is 5th June month 2018 it is. Then World Environment Day, it is there on that day. So, and time they have given from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And where is this place? At the Sri Rang Auditorium, right? So this is what they have given. So we have to cover up these points, children. They give the point, and according to that point only, and see the format. Blocks also should be there, and see the space how they have left, and then the detail about it. Attractive prizes to be won. Which prizes? The first prize will get 5,000 in cash. Second prize 4,000 in cash, and the third prize will be 3,000 in cash. Understood now? Yes. So now you can see. So in this way, yeah, of course this page is short, so in the two column they have done, but you will do the long one. Yeah. And for the contact of the following for enquiries, yes, for any queries also or enquiries. So whom we are going to contact, that two name you will mention. Phone number you can write this way. Yes. So this is the format. Get along the potted plant for the contest with your name, address, label and all. So this is a general instruction. Yes. So in this way you are going to read. I'll just go back so that it will be, let me see now. If I go for the workshop, it will go for all, I think so. Let me see. I'll just stop it up for you people. So you have a, see here. Yeah, now you see here that here only up to here only they have done. No, but when you write, it will be in a full scape page. Na? So you have to write continue. Yes, you will not put this marking this way. Yes, this way marking you will not do. You will just write a big column type, and then you will make a block for it. So this is for contacting. So I'll just again I have started this video. You see very properly, very important it is. This line you will not draw. You will write everything, and then at last you are going to draw the line, the lower lines. You have to finish it up everything, and then only, not middle. Everything will come inside the block, children. Here there is no space, so it is in a different block I have put it. You can see now full long attractive price. So you have covered up all the points, prices also, contact detail for the further inquiry. This is about that. And then this is a general instruction that while coming you bring a potted plant for the contest with your name and address and label on it. And then they have asked you to come celebrate the environment. Yes. So here I end the topic. Thank you. Just see that you do this all revision properly. Thank you, Jai.